Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
If you're new, my name is Christina.
And if you are new, my name is Ed.
And today,
we will be reacting to Jimin's Talent Explosion Moment. So shout outs to Abby, A123, I believe her name was. We listened to you, we saw your comment, you know, you've been a supporter for a minute, so we're gonna do this. It's been a long time coming anyways, because we love doing Jimin videos. Y'all know that's my bias, like ultimate bias, you know, it's my boy. And today's his birthday. Well, whenever you guys see this, I mean in Korean time,
his birthday
it'll be his birthday in New York, but
yeah.
As of now, it is his birthday in Korea, so. But anyway, shout outs to Jimin. Jimin, you're amazing, man. Happy birthday, happy belated if you're seeing this later. Love you, man. Long time supporter, always supporting. We love you, man. We love you. We love Bantan. We love Jimin. You know what I'm saying? Chim, you know. But anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel that you see here as well. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, as well as TikTok. Anything you'd like to say before we start?
Nope, I'm ready.
You positive?
I am.
Are you sure you're ready for the talent that is Jimin?
I don't think I'll ever be ready.
I don't think so either. It is Jimin.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get into the video. Come here, you. Oh, you saw them. Whoa.
He's so cute. He was so joking around.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Damn, how does he do that?
You know, I feel like once you're a performer,
yeah,
these are the
master stuff like that.
Yeah.
Because they're all so incredible. They're such dedicated performers.
Jimin with the mic, yo.
I decided that I wanted to do choreography with them. I've never done choreography in a dance video before, so it was something new for me. But they were so nice and encouraging. Do it if I practice.
He's still going. Hey.
Wow.
Oh, he got the whole bottle, but he's such a power though.
You saw how he was balanced too.
Oh, hell no! That was Chim. You see him and you think, innocent little Jimin, little Chim. But yo, this man just fucking did some Bruce. Yo, guys, I'm sorry, I'm running up from the beginning because.
Wow. Wow.
Don't fuck with Jimin.
Wow.
All y'all haters that be talking shit about Jimin, this is what he could do to you, yo.
Here we go.
All y'all haters, man, that stay talking shit about Jimin now, cause they're smack all y'all motherfuckers.
The haters
know. No, but you see what Jimin could do to you if he wanted to? Pop out.
Jimin is too kind.
Yeah, he is too kind. Yeah.
He would never.
Yeah, he always has kicks.
He's always pulling them kicks, bro.
He does it effortlessly. He's like, yeah, easy. This is easy.
Look at
you see?
That's the idol. Yeah. Yo, he be killing it,
bro. Flex. Whoa, you saw that? Was that him? That was not him.
That's so embarrassing. I can't do that. That's so embarrassing.
Bro.
What? Teach me. Teach me. Jimin, teach me.
I can't do anything remotely close to this. I can't do anything remotely close to this.
Man, that's so hard.
Yeah, bro, he does it effortlessly. Look at him. Can you see J-Hope?
Look.
Wait, what do you do?
No. Like, how he just lifted it. I would tip over. That's the amount of balance. But then again, he has a lyrical dancer.
Yeah, contemporary master.
I keep thinking about that performance.
J-Hope. That's your bias and my bias. Look at his smile. Like...
That's so... I can't. Babe, I literally cannot do that. That's crazy.
Oh my goodness.
No way.
This man is a problem.
Guys, I'm so jealous right now. I don't think I understand. Like, I'm actually jealous. I'm so jealous.
Problem. By the way, guys, this is gonna be a series. We have like 2 or 3 other videos coming, just Jimin related. After this, for his birthday, this is Jimin Day. Just to let y'all know. So if y'all watching this right now, there are more videos to watch.
That's actually really like.
He plays soccer? And he,
I think he was doing it with one of those little.
bro, this is too fast.
It was like one of those little like knapsacks.
Nah, he was playing. No, he was doing soccer tricks.
No, but how did his leg accidentally lift up like that?
Bro,
like
I would have died. No, I would have just been like, guys, just ambulance, ambulance. Master. Master. So bad, love you so bad.
I actually didn't.
I never noticed that. I never noticed that either.
He's so extra.
Everybody was like,
Jimin.
and Jimin's like, all the way.
That's crazy. I actually never noticed that.
That's crazy. That's some Chris Brown. Chris Brown be doing stuff like that.
That's actually really hard. That's really hard. I remember when this was a big challenge, baby. It's so hard to do.
Baby, I know that's hard to just
like because
bro. I know the body. That takes skill.
Like you literally have to jump up and keep. It's really hard.
Jimin is a problem, guys. Like, y'all be sleeping on Jimin, man, son.
Oh my gosh, like stop everything. I can tell he has good balance.
Oh, he's gonna triple after that? Oh, wow.
I'm loving these traditional.
Oh my goodness. Yo, Jimin, teach me,
Yo, he
please.
hit that perfectly, though.
Teach me, please, Jimin.
He hit it perfectly.
Teach me. He did that shit in Jordans? Were those Jordans?
Nike something.
He's more in Jordans. Bro, teach me, bro. Please, teach me.
Athleticism is crazy, man. With no momentum, it's like barely any momentum.
What is this?
That's
Oh
yeah. We gotta
guys,
go back in
confession,
time.
I haven't listened to the old stuff, like 2013. I know they debuted in 2013, 2014.
So we're gonna go back in time. We're gonna.
Like I joined the BTS. I joined Army in like 2017. This was like Spring Day Serendipity time. That was when I got into BTS. So anything before that, I haven't really. She's familiar with it, not me. Damn, bro. Imagine him kicking someone in the face like that. You seen that shit? Look at this one coming up. Pow! Shit. That'll take someone's head clean off. Wow, no, he looks so young there. Well, most of these he looks young. Hey, You see the body? Yo, the Jimin is a master, bro.
He's such a great dancer. I really love watching his contemporary dance.
Guys, and that's the thing. Like, I was never into contemporary dancing. I was never into watching it. But once I saw Jimin do it, I'm like, this shit is fire,
It's beautiful.
bro. It's beautiful. Like, this shit's an art form. Stop me. Like a butterfly.
Nice.
Oh shit!
Nice.
Go ahead, boy, do that.
Damn, he fast.
Yo, Jimin.
I'm telling you, athleticism.
Bro, look at this guy. He's passing the dude that was ahead of him. Oh nah, Jimin. He could have went other paths besides BTS. He could have been an actual athlete. Oh shit.
Crazy.
Kimura.
Oh no, they shouldn't.
You know I know. When you see me, when you touch me. Hey.
Oh, look at
Little Jungkook, Matinee. Nah, Jimin is a problem, bro. Wait, what was that?
I don't know what it was. It was something.
Look at his face! After he got
like,
it.
I'm so
He's like,
accomplished.
look at his face.
He's so cute.
Yo, you know I've never been able to do more than 3 skips. He just did like, how many skips was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could never. I've only gotten 3 max. It stayed on the surface for a minute. Wait, what? Wait, what? You know I used to play this in high school,
Really?
except with quarters.
Oh,
Yeah, knock it
got
off
you,
the
got
table,
you, got
yeah.
you. Oh,
So he does play soccer.
yeah,
Jiminy, we can play soccer together, bro. I play soccer too. Hey. Control, yes. Control. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Yeah. Bring it low. Bring it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. Yes. Yes. Keep it. He's nasty. He's nasty.
Wow.
Yes. Keep it going. Yes, still. Oh, I wanted him to get to 50. Nah, good job though.
Nice.
Nah, he plays soccer, babe.
You had to. Some.
Nah, he's juggling. He's
Really?
juggling. He plays soccer.
Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
Master, bro. Look at him. It's an
Perfect.
art form. Art form, son.
Wow. Beautiful.
Chim chim. That shit is beautiful. This shit is
That's
beautiful.
the best part of spring
Yo,
day.
Spring days. Spring day.
Wow. Well, moral of the story, Jimin is talented.
Yes.
Thanks. It's not like we didn't know that already.
Yeah, we knew this. We knew that.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yes, and again, happy birthday, Jimin! Happy
Alright.
birthday.
And
Alright.
make sure to follow us on all the socials, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram.
All that.
You know the deal.
All that.
Deuces.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace out.